Local news for Tuesday the 5th of February. The South Wairarapa District Council are advising that all drinking water must be boiled in Martinborough until further notice. This includes all drinking, making up of formula, juices and ice, washing fruits and vegetables, other cooking needs or brushing teeth. The board of the Nico Foundation has announced the appointment of 5 new board members who officially joined the organisation on the 3rd of December. Committed to growing a substantial endowment for the benefit of the Wellington region, including Wairarapa. Since its inception, the income from invested funds has seen over $5 million distributed to a range of charities across the lower North Island. And the star breeding whio at Pukaha National Wildlife Centre have had their second clutch of the 2019 season and are off for their first taste of water in Turangi. Whio, numbering approximately 3,000 in the wild, are torrent ducks, so named for their unusual habitat and fast-flowing water, and appear on the New Zealand $10 note. They are considered nationally vulnerable due to the loss of habitat and the predation of stoats, amongst others. And finally, in sport, the Giants softball under-13s were the only side to pick up a win at the weekends. They beat Te Araha convincingly 17-1.